Hello Year 4 and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. We're going to start with our calculation starter and it is our 4 times table song today. I know this was one of our faves. So if you haven't listened to it already and sung along, then pause this video and go to our home learning page and there is a link on there for you to follow. Pause this video now if you haven't done so. Okay, we're going to crack on with the lesson. So, today we are going to be using our times table knowledge to find out our division facts. So, my first question is, how many fish are there? Write it down or tell an adult or say it aloud. So, I have got 2 number sentences down at the bottom. Okay, and we need to fill them in. I have got 3 fish tanks and I've got 6 fish in each tank. So I can write it. So tank number 1 has 6 fish. Tank number 2 has 6 fish. And tank number 3 has 6 fish. So in total, I know 6 add 6 add 6 equals 18. Now, I'm just going to count the fish just to double check my answers. So you can count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Lovely. Well done if you got that correct at home as well. So I can also write this as a multiplication. So have a go, tell an adult or write it down what you think the multiplication sentence would be for the fish in the tank. Okay, so I know there are 6 fish in each tank and I know there are 3 tanks. So I know in total there are 18 fish. So 6 times 3 equals 18. A massive well done if you've got the same. So on this page, we are going to be thinking about our division sentences. So at the top, just up here, you say 3 times 6 equals 18. Now on the other page, I wrote it as 6 times 3 equals 18. Now you can swap them round and you'll still have the same answer. And I mean, year 4, you're a clever bunch, so I'm sure you all know that. So over in this corner, I have 18 fish. And I'm going to divide them into 3 tanks. I'm going to divide them equally. So for my number sentence, just down here, my first number is biggest number is 18. So I've got 18 fish and I'm going to divide them into 3. So I've got 3 tanks. So I'm going to put 3 here. But I need to know what that equals. As some of you might already guess that already. But I'm going to move the fish equally into each tank and you can count along with me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh good, I've definitely had 18 fish there. So in one tank, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish. So I know I've just divided 18 by 3, and that equals 6. Just like so. I have another number sentence underneath. I wonder if you could guess what that is using the division sentence above to try and help you. So, when I'm dividing, my biggest number does always go first. Whoops. So 18 divided by, now I've already got divided by 3, so the other number I do have is 6. And that will equal 3. So it's the same as above. I can switch those numbers round and I'll still have the same answer. So well done if you got the same as me. So on this page it says complete the sentences. Now I've got these heptagons here. So there are how many heptagons? If you can write that down, say it aloud, tell an adult how many heptagons are there. Well done if you've said 4. Each heptagon has how many sides? So I'm going to count them. I'm actually going to mark off my side so I don't double count each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if that is correct. A heptagon has 7 sides. So there are how many sides altogether? So I've got 4 heptagons and I've got 7 sides. I wonder if you could write down what number sentence, what question can I ask to find out how many sides there are there altogether? Okay, well done. So I could have 4, I'm going to try and write like this, 4 times 7 equals. Now if you're not quite sure what that equals, remember you can count them. So I might count them just to count along with some of you. So I know there's 7 there. So I'm going to carry on continuing my counting. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So there's 28 sides. Now you're going to have to excuse my number formation there. I'm using a little mouse on the laptop to type that. So let's double check. 28 sides. Fabulous. Well done if you've got the same. So now let's look at our division facts. So we've got the same heptagons at the top and we've got 28, and now we've got a bar model at the bottom and it's split into 4 equal parts of 7. So there are different ways you can write these questions out with the times tables and division. Why don't you have a go at writing down your 2 times table questions and 2 division questions, and I'll give you a minute or so to do that, or you can just pause the video. So, times tables, let's have a little look. Let's have a look under this first box. I have got 7 times 4 equals 28. Let's look at the second one. I wonder if you can guess what this next times table question is. 4 times 7 equals 28. Now, these 2 are my division facts. Wonder if you can guess, or what have you wrote down that tells me it's division facts. So, let's have a look at this top one. I've got 28 divided by 4. So if you have a look at this top, I've got 28. It's been divided into 4 equal parts of the bar, and each part is 7. So 28 divided by 4 equals 7. And then the last one is 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So well done if that is what you've got. So essentially, you have 3 numbers to work with. You have 7, you have 4, and 28 in this case. And you're just switching them around until you have 4 different number sentences. 2 multiplication and 2 division. So your activity today involves a bit more times tables and division. where you'll be looking at different questions to help you solve and become more confident with your times tables and division facts. I hope you have a cracking time doing that, and I will see you tomorrow for maths. Bye everybody!